Am I recording? Oh yeah, I am. Hi guys, it's Lucas Plays and we are playing Subway Surfers. Too loud for you. No. My aim is to get 40 of those things, candles. So I can get the coin board. So let's do this. Can I beat my aim? Can I? You think I can do this? Okay, let's see. I never die. I couldn't do this on I have to die sometime, but I'll see what it does. I'll get the door and stuff. Not even gonna die. No! Take it back. Let's press it together. Yes. Just finally double it. Right. So these that Muda is my dad. He's first place. That's my place though. That's my place. Mario is my auntie. Second place. I don't know who can that be. Manda, she is my auntie too. Lucy, which is Lutzka, fourth place. It's my mama. Ladislav is my uncle. Gabriel is my friend. Alex March is my friend. Marek is my friend. Cyrus is my friend. Lucas is the boss. My boss. That's me. Rustic's my friend. I know I can beat this game. Because I am the very boy. Yeah, I got this app. I tried another app, but it was useless. Guess what, guys? No, I got this app. I got this app called Shower. So I can have this screen thing when I'm moving. The coin. It's next to the coin. My face, basically. The robot's face. So basically, I got this app so I can have this face camera thing. But I couldn't upload it on YouTube. It's my tablet. Why? Okay, go on. My dad is making me mad. That's my tablet. No, I never lost it. I lost it in a game. We had a bet. And I said, no, I'm a kid. I don't do bets. And so I lost this bet on a game. And I lost the tablet. So I lost my tablet. I'm going to my mama. Punch him in the face, mother. The key. You're mine, baby. Baby. The key. That's fine. On this tablet. I always get on my phone. I never on the tablet. This is my first tablet ever. But I will make them with this. I beat them. I'm in the box. Puma, help me. This is annoying. Let me just... Oh, what? I'm just joking. I'm just messing around. But, what's more? No. I know what I'm trying to get. Wait. Let me trying to get me. Trying to get this number. Oh, this zombie guy. Oh, my aim is to get this bird. Look. Not this one. I can buy this one. But I'm not. Collect these things. 5 days left. So 5 days I'm gonna do Subway episodes non-stop. I think I'll end the video here. So please like or subscribe and peace.